Hi everyone, if you're one of those people who are looking for some green options in your house or in your office but you don't want to maintain them, I have a short solution for you all. I'm going to introduce to you a product where you don't have to maintain it, but it is still greens and it is not a plastic. A product which can be hanged onto a wall, or it can be kept as a tabletop, or you can have it as a hanging decor in your house or in your office. So here I show you the magic product, which is this preserved moss wall. This is a moss tile which basically comes in the size of 1 feet by 1 feet, and also the density is almost 1 to 2 inches. The density is big that we provide, and this product is available in about 17 colors. There is a delivery time of about 1 month because this product comes from the west side of the world. We need to import it, and this is basically a preserved moss, which means this is you can say this is dead moss. This is not something which grows, so you can hang it on your wall. It does not require any watering. When it comes to maintenance, you don't have to water it, you don't have to provide it with any maintenance. If you are traveling, you're coming back after a week, 10 days, 1 month of travel, 2 months of travel, nothing happens to this product. It just requires a normal humidity that you get it in Delhi or Mumbai kind of place. It works very well. Just hang it on your wall and forget about it. So when I mentioned it is available in 17 colors, so there are about 3 colors that we have to show you today. These are 3 different types of green colors. This one is light green, you can say a sea green, and a forest green that I have here. So these are some of the green colors which are really best selling ones, but otherwise there are about 17 colors which are available in this moss. If I talk about the natural color of moss, this one grows in greyish color. You can also use it as is, or create a moss art with the help of a driftwood, or you can add some toys to it and create a nice scenic beauty and have it hang wherever you want. That's all for today. I am also going to talk about benefits of moss wall in my next video, so do watch out, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.